Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Entropy problems can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. We need to find which diagram shows the largest increase in disorder after mixing. Entropy is basically a measure of randomness or disorder within a system. When we remove that divider, the particles will naturally want to spread out and mix as much as possible. The greatest increase in entropy happens when the final state is the most disordered. We are looking for the option where the different particles are perfectly and evenly distributed throughout. Option B shows the most uniform mixing of particles. This represents maximum disorder, making it the winner for highest entropy. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.